And yeah, I see up on the mountain we're getting more snow.
We are. It is just coming down. We saw just incredible amounts the last couple of days here after a quiet, drier weekend. 32 inches of snow, close to 3 feet just in the last couple of days. And that really came down mostly within the last 24 to 36 hours. So it has just been dumping up on the mountains there. Lots of powder to enjoy now. Base of 115 inches out to Meadows. We have to wait a couple hours for the other ski resorts to update their totals, but I imagine about the same. Good snow all around the area. Now, I do want to point out the mountain passes here. Lots of compacted snow on the roadways up there. Expect winter driving conditions. Even the Sunset Summit here has some snow down to about 1,500 feet. We've been cold enough to build up some snowfall out in that area, and a chance you could see maybe a couple more inches throughout today before we get a brief break in some of the snow for the morning time. So be careful out there. Lots of snow across our mountain passes in a winter weather advisory in place until the rest of this morning. Maybe 5 to 9 more inches of snowfall through today. And then we start to build up that snow again. Midweek, a lot more snow back in the Cascades. So check out the snow forecast. As you work our way into Thursday, that's when that snow really picks up. And Mount Hood, again, could stack up another foot to 2 feet of snowfall, maybe more towards the central Cascades of Oregon, and up to 6 to 12 inches for the Coast Range, too. So another round of significant snow coming as we head into our Thursday. Just great skiing all week long. I don't see too warm of conditions up here, and that usually tend to melt off snow. So I think we'll see some fantastic conditions all week long with lots of new snow to play in for any folks who want to head up to the Cascades heading into this week. Now, for us today in Portland, it's been a fairly quiet morning. We have dried out a bit, and temperatures are hovering in the mid to upper 30s here. So again, I don't see much more of a chance of snowfall. There's just a very slight chance there could be a pocket of maybe a rain-snow mix, but no impacts on the roadways, and we quiet down. As we head into the afternoon, we'll build temperatures back into the lower to mid-40s and see light rain showers through the afternoon. So what's next for us this week? There's still a lot to talk about because we've got soggy conditions on the way. A strong system moves in midweek, and we're back under rainy conditions here in Portland. Again, that heavy mountain snow on Thursday. Then as we hit Friday and the weekend, a chance for more wet snowflakes in Portland as we cool back down. So our week just roller coasters through rain and then potential snow again heading into the weekend. So let's time some things out here on our model futurecast. Again, a pretty dry morning for us. Haven't seen too many showers, more of a light sprinkle out there at times, and not much snowfall around the Portland metro area. A lot of that snow has stayed out in the foothills and above about 1,000 feet out towards the east here. Now going into our morning, maybe a few light rain showers heading into 9-10 o'clock. We'll see light rain showers all afternoon too. I also see some dry time this afternoon. So grab the rain jacket, and off and on lighter rain shower possible heading into our day and across the evening time. Notice the coast likely seeing a soggy day today. I think we'll keep heavy rain out there throughout our Tuesday. Come Wednesday, back under heavy rain. This is our next weather system here. It's an atmospheric river, and again, we'll bring a nice plume of moisture stemming from the tropics, giving us that boost of heavy rainfall throughout Wednesday and Thursday. That hits all of western Oregon. Just look at these rain totals going into Thursday, ending Friday, maybe up to 2 inches of rain in Portland. So significant rain. We'll watch out for a chance of maybe some flooding of roadways, especially out towards the coast where we could stack up 4+ inches of rain. Also windy conditions up too. We could see a breeze by tonight, and Wednesday evening especially we could possibly get some wind gusts from the south as that storm system rolls in up to maybe 35 to 40 miles per hour. So a blustery, soggy and rainy Wednesday ahead for us in Portland here. So here's our 7-day forecast. We'll keep it rainy through Thursday, lots of mountain snow. Then we start to turn colder. So I do have these days highlighted here. Potential for some wet snowflakes back in Portland, maybe as early as Friday morning, or rain-snow mix. So still a little uncertain how much of an impact that may be. It could just be a foothill situation again, but we're going to watch that closely as we cool down. Temperatures by Friday back in the mid-40s with overnight lows in the mid-30s here in the city.
All right, we'll be keeping a close eye on Portland's most accurate forecast. Thanks, Kelly. It's 6